What if I told you that AI could help you make $100, $200, even $300 a day just by creating simple logos from your laptop or phone? Sounds crazy, right? Let me show you how it's done. You don't need to be a graphic designer. With powerful AI tools like Looka, Canva, or LogoMakr, you can create high-quality logos in minutes. Just type in a few words like Sunrise Coffee or Velocity Fitness, choose your style, and boom, the AI generates dozens of ready-to-sell designs instantly. Want to charge even more? Customize. Swap colors, tweak fonts, and add trendy elements like minimalist icons or vintage vibes. A little personal touch can turn a $10 logo into a $100 sale. Once you have a few logos ready, it's time to sell. Create a Fiverr gig, open an Etsy store, or sell bundles directly through Gumroad. Pro tip: offer packages, basic logo, premium logo, and full brand kit. More options equals more sales. Ready to take it to the next level? Use ChatGPT to craft irresistible gig descriptions, automate order tracking with Zapier, and even schedule marketing posts. That's how you move from one sale a day to 10 effortlessly. Ready to start your AI side hustle? Smash that follow button and join the Autocash Lab family for more money-making AI secrets. Let's grow together.